team that is responsible for drafting it is there, and one of them, Professor Sianya, is actually the MCS here. Mr. Macharia, there is who are there. And then because we have the secretariat. The secretariat, which is headed by Madam Tungera, and this is then there was political level, people really, she's doing the very side, I'm working for South, and one of the direct owners.
Then there's the question of the comments that you've been receiving with regards to the document. Where are they going to be accommodated if we are saying that the only thing that is remaining is editorial work? And yesterday, Deputy President William Ruto said that how come you take 2 years with a document and you end up with a document that is bad, according to him?
Those are his views. These are his views. According to the other views, this document is very good with the MCS. So his purpose is entitled to everybody. Some say the document is putting in the Kenya presidency, and he says it's horrible. Nothing is qualified. So there will always be doubting promises in any process. And that's why we say if you agree with it, you need to do something. Sema yako, sema yetu, uonane.
Another second amendment.
Thank you so much. Yeah, we say that say that we want to now the symptoms from the conflict. In other words, funding for the symptoms of the infants so that they don't have to go to the government to be begging. And that makes sense.
Well, aside from the sound and is there a situation that is going to help in actually running the process?
Of course, we have central leadership. We have got leaders of political parties. When we met, about 2 weeks ago, we were going to meet with them. Then the leaders of women, we also meet with honor. The leaders of the county assemblies, we have just met with the governors, whom we have met and also we are going to meet with. Then the members of parliament, we were in touch with all members of parliament. So it's not us, we are meeting, running together to help the leadership.
But you're saying that
they have already have total support. The other crowd, they have something proposed, which are arranged move on. But I think we told them as that now is an country being president and then the country signing, country signing
Mbele.
We want the signature collection to be done as quickly as possible so that this is for the next week we have completed that certificate. After that, the document will be sent to the Electoral Commission for verification of signatures and finally qualification. Published this week or so, so that it's also going to be a popular version of the report. It's a summarized version. And also circulated. Some of the supplements in some of the newspapers in the weekend, so that people can be able to read the document and decide.
Well, there are some issues that they're raising, including the